Memos are a common form of communication in cybersecurity. These short notes share what is important or needs to be addressed. This form of communication allows people to be informed of what's going on within the company. On page 219 of the book, it talks about how memos let people know deadlines, and the IT professional deadlines are very important. Reports are another written form of communication that is used. Reports allow employees to share the research they have collected and easily communicate with their manager. News reports would include both quantitative and qualitative data to accurately inform the reader. Written communication is also very important in the workplace. It is not always possible for a supervisor to talk to all the employees and tell them what needs to be done, but the manager can send a quick memo to let an employee know what is next. Even at my current job, we use written communication. I have a list that needs stuff that needs to be done during my shift. If the list is well written, I can go through and get everything done. But if I cannot read something or it is unclear, I may not be able to finish what needs to be done. It is very important that people use structure, clarity, and have good presentation, just like the author explains on page 209, so that employees can understand what is asked of them. Managers must think about who they are writing to and make sure they are clear on what needs to be done.